Magandang tanghali po ng Sunday, December 24, 2023. Ito po ang mga spell na agang draw ng 5 p.m. Digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, December 24, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng December 24, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Sunday, December 24, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 538 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 15.8 million pesos for December 24, 2023, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, December 24, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.